They call us One Shot Charlie.
Who? And why?
People in the game.
What game?
Fight me, tell them.
Fight me.
Hey everybody, it's Alex and Jackie from Top Guns in Terre Haute, Indiana. Jackie, I know this is your first 90-second review. What are we going to do today?
We are going to review the Ruger Wrangler. This is all you need to know in 90 seconds.
Pause. This is all you need to know in 90 seconds.
Break, you know? Oh, okay, yeah, we're breaking.
What we're gonna say?
90-second review on 3, but we're going to go up.
Okay.
All right?
Wait, on 3 or after 3?
1, 2, 3. 90-second review.
Okay.
All right.
Sandwich. 1, 2, 3.
90-second
review.
We're so excited.
In 2019, Ruger came out with the Ruger Wrangler. Now you can get this in 3 colors, including the one we have here, which is the bronze. But they also had black and they have silver. Now this is the 6-inch model. I'm sure they're going to come out with other variants here very soon. Now this is not going to be a gun that you're going to be able to get at your local gun shop all the time. They're just slowly coming out on the market. So tell us a little bit about this gun.
All right, so the Ruger Wrangler here is 22 long rifle and it does hold 6 rounds.
Now this is a single action only gun, which we found out earlier when we were shooting it in the range.
Right, you can shoot it in the range, your backyard, or even competitions if you wanted to.
Right, a lot of cowboy shooters use them in competitions. I think this is a great purchase. You know, you also have the Heritage Rough Rider. Now that's one gun that a lot of people are going to compare this to. Now I personally think that Ruger has better quality overall than what you'll see in the Rough Rider, but there's a lot to compare.
Right away, I noticed the weight between the two. The Wrangler is about 3 ounces lighter. It's about 30 ounces, while this one over here, the Heritage, is about 33.
So you're going to notice that a lot of the same features. You're going to have a bladed front sight. You're going to have an aluminum alloy frame, single action only, 6-round gun, blah, blah, blah. That's going to be normal for everything else. But you're coming in around 10.25 with the overall length on the Wrangler, where, you know, Heritage already has a bunch of different options anyway. All right, guys, like we said earlier, that you're going to have 3 finishes with the Wrangler. Now you're going to have black, you're going to have silver, and you're going to have the gold Cerakote, or the bronze Cerakote like you see here. This is a great finish. It's going to last you a long time.
Also, another thing that I liked was the grip on the Wrangler. It is a plastic checkered grip, so it'll stay in your hand a lot easier, rather than the wooden laminate grip on the Heritage.
I know it really slips out of your hand compared to this grip.
Agreed.
So Jackie, I think this is definitely going to be a gun that everybody wants to put in their collection. So if they walk into their local gun shop, what should they expect to pay for it?
The MSRP is about $249, but in your local gun store it's probably about $199.
So thanks again, guys, for watching All You Need to Know in 90 Seconds right here at Top Guns in Terre Haute, Indiana.
And don't forget to comment down below any other videos you would like to see us do, like and subscribe to our channel.
Thanks again, guys.
Cheesy, but we did it.
You fucking rocked it. That was great. Hey everybody, it's Alex and Jackie from Top Guns here in Terre Haute, Indiana.
Oh man, nice.
And that's my tongue. And this is all you need to know in 90 seconds. 6 rounds, 7 targets.
Exactly.
Show them what's up.
What's that? Is that our
I can't. I only have one hand, so I can't do both with my hand. But
That's 8, Alex. You did 8 though.
we're shooting, not counting.
Hey everybody, it's Jackie and Alex from Top Guns here in Terre Haute, Indiana. Jackie, I know this is your first 90-second review. There's nobody over there to look at. I saw it. She goes. Hey everybody, it's Alex and Jackie from Top Guns here in Terre Haute, Indiana. Jackie, I know this is your first 90-second review. What are we going to do today?
We are going to review the Ruger Wrangler. This is all you need to know in 90 seconds. I'm sorry, I can't stop looking at Brittany in the background.
That's all you need to know in 90.
She catches
90 seconds? That's all you need to know, man.
That's all you need to know in 90 seconds, you guys.
Call me One Shot Charlie. Call me One Shot Charlie.
And they lie about it every time.
You're on.
Don't sit me.
All right, Jackie.
We have to do it after that.
Now this is really going to draw a lot of attention to this gun. It's a great finish. It really brings in your eyes.